This is Cooking with Chris, and I'm making Doritos Taco Salad 3 ways. First, the classic way, Mom's way. This is what I grew up on. This was the dish that was at every birthday party, family gathering, and holiday, barbecue, you name it. This was always served, winter or summer, kids and adults. This was always on the table with the rest of the spread. So this is what you'll need for version 1, classic Doritos Taco Salad. Taco meat, iceberg lettuce, diced tomato, taco cheese, Doritos, of course, and Thousand Island dressing. Yes, Thousand Island. More on that later. So to make this super easy classic version, you need to cook the taco meat first, and I'm talking classic American taco meat. You know, ground beef, a taco seasoning packet, and some water. You know exactly what I'm talking about. Brown the beef in a pan, drain the extra fat if there's a lot, and then add your favorite taco seasoning packet and some water. I like to add the spices to the meat and let it cook a little before adding the water, just to get some heat on the spices, wake them up a bit. Add the water and let it simmer away 5-10 minutes. Then let it cool and eventually put the meat in the fridge. You want it cold for this first salad. In the meantime, you can get the rest of the ingredients together. Chopped iceberg lettuce, diced tomato, and taco cheese. Toss everything in the bowl, cover it up, and get that in the fridge. And then once the meat is chilled, you can add the taco meat to the salad. Either put it back in the fridge, or if it's time to serve it up, crush up some Doritos and give it another toss. Maybe some more Doritos on top. Now you want to add the Doritos right before serving because they'll get soft and you don't want soft Doritos. Serve with some Thousand Island and enjoy. So I'm willing to bet that you've had Doritos Taco Salad before, am I right? If you did, give the video a like to let me know. A nice classic cold salad. Super satisfying. Like I said, I grew up on this and it screams comfort to me, but I do have a few improvements to it. A few personal twists to how I make it. I mean, sorry Mom, but you know, to me a taco salad can have a little more to it, you know? So let me show you version 2 of Doritos Taco Salad, my way. So some things will not be altered here. For starters, the taco meat. I mean, it's just the classic way, you know? I didn't mess with that part, except I do add some black beans. The lettuce does get an upgrade in my version. Instead of iceberg, I go with green leaf lettuce, but romaine would work too. Let's go down the ingredient list for version 2. Like I said, a lot of the ingredients are the same, except switching out the lettuce to green leaf, adding some black beans to the taco meat, and then I also add green onions, green olives, and pickled jalapenos. Chop, slice, and dice all the ingredients. Lettuce, tomato, cheese all get tossed together. Spread it out on a big platter. Then hit it with the taco meat, some green onions, sprinkle the olives and jalapenos on, and of course, the Doritos. There we go. My version of the classic Doritos Taco Salad. Version number 2. Serve it up with some more jalapenos on the side if you like. And another thing I have to stick with from the original version is the Thousand Island dressing. Okay, so let's talk about the Thousand Island dressing. That's what my family used. I've found out that this was a pretty popular salad and Thousand Island wasn't really used by most families. After some research, apparently the most popular dressing is actually Catalina, which is a red French dressing made by Kraft. That to me just seems wrong, and Thousand Island to you might just seem wrong as well, but it's just taco salad. You can use whatever dressing you like. Oh, I've also learned Italian dressing was a popular option. Now for the final version, version number 3, I'm not going to use Thousand Island. I'm not going to use Catalina. I'm not going to use Italian. We're going to go with something a little smoky, and we're going to make our own dressing. We're going to make our own Chipotle Ranch. It's time for version 3 of Doritos Taco Salad, what I'm going to call Supreme. First, let's get that dressing made. For my Chipotle Ranch dressing, you'll need 1 cup of mayo, half a cup of sour cream, 3 to 4 teaspoons of ranch dressing, chipotle peppers and the adobo sauce that comes in a little can, and the juice of a couple limes. Some cilantro. So you want to toss everything in a food processor and buzz away. Now I always start with 1 chipotle pepper, then taste it. You never know how hot these are going to be. After you taste it, you can add another one if you want more heat, or throw in the whole can if you want. Get this into a jar or a bowl, cover it up, stick it in the fridge, and this should last for about a week. Ground beef again for sure, but instead of using the seasoning packet, I'm just going to add my own spice blend here, so like a homemade seasoning packet. So I go with cumin, chili powder, onion powder, garlic powder, chipotle powder, smoked paprika, Mexican oregano, salt, and cinnamon. That's the spice blend we're going to use instead of a seasoning packet for this version 3, Supreme Doritos Taco Salad. What else do we want to go with? Well, we just made the homemade Chipotle Ranch, and we just seasoned our ground beef and black beans with our own personal spice blend. I'm going to stick with the green leaf lettuce. We're sticking with tomatoes. I am going with the shredded taco cheese, but also going to add cotija cheese to this. Green onions and green olives, pickled jalapenos still, of course, the nacho cheese Doritos, and fresh cilantro. But I'm going to serve it in a taco shell bowl. I haven't used one of these in quite a while, so I wasn't even sure if the grocery store would have them, but they did. These are totally a cool way to serve taco salad at home. It kind of gives it that restaurant flair to it. I mean, this is version 3 here, so we're talking Supreme, so it feels like the right move, right? So we'll start off with the lettuce base inside the taco shell, the meat and beans, taco cheese, green onion, green olives, the cotija, the pickled jalapenos, Doritos, fresh cilantro, and we'll finish off version 3 with the homemade Chipotle Ranch Dressing. Does this look supreme or what? Doritos Taco Salad 3 ways. That's what you get when you're cooking with Chris.